scholar, orthodox investor, vestige, interest compounder, compounder. Hello and welcome to Beige Report. This is our monthly update on our exclusive investment club portfolio, where our fund managers are attempting to leverage local instruments available in Nigeria to teach us how a moderately active portfolio can be run, using the 12% benchmark for the year in view. Our investment operations are still based on the stockpile bulk invest method, with the primary vehicle being the Nigerian stock market. In January, we witnessed a high point in the upside from the stock market and decided to take profit from the stock market in February. Good thing we exited in the first few weeks of February. The stock took a nosedive thereafter and is still diving. Pure water is now 15. How did this get into the script? As of the time of compiling this report on 26 February, we had done the following. We had done the following activities. We sold 88% of our stock portfolio and exited the stock market at 36 capital appreciation in the inception. We invested the proceeds from our stock into the money market fund portfolio at an unexpected return of 9% per annum since the announcement of 19% at the 365-day Treasury bill in February. We have seen a marked increase in the MMF rate of 10% to 11%. Additional contributions went back into the stock market for some fundamental. Madam, stay away from me. I'm hot. Are they hot? Additional contributions went back into the stock market for some fundamentally sound stocks that are overpriced and have a good year-end return expectations, as well as a good dividend yield of over 7%. All the stocks bought were banking stocks. Dollar is now 1,630. Producer, how did this get in there? Our stock portfolio, which we have now just restarted, fell week on week by 8% for the 3 banking stocks purchased. We expect that dividend declared will offset the reduction in the near term, but in the long term, we expect that prices will increase and some capital gains will become available to enjoy. Our money market mutual fund, acting as the liquidity base for club members, received all of the profits from the stock portfolio exit, as well as 30% of our club members' contribution to take advantage of the rise of the money market fund towards the risk-free rate at 19% determined by the Treasury bills auction result earlier in the month. Our commercial paper stays locked in till the end of Q2 this year at a prorated stable return of 20% implied yield, which increases the portfolio segment daily and is shown in the report as well. Inflation is romancing 30%. What is, oh God. For this month, we recognize cash as part of our portfolio temporarily for 1.3. Adibin, I know you now, I give you dirty slap. What do you want? We recognize cash as part of our portfolio temporarily for 1.3%, while the bulk of our portfolio remained in the commercial paper, and our stock dropped to 2.8% after profit-taking activities, leaving our mutual funds at 34.4% from 1 to 2% in the previous month. The club portfolio is currently doing a 36% per annum return as opposed to the 117% in January, with 6% capital appreciation as opposed to the 10% in January. The drastic changes were caused by investor profit-taking activities in the stock market throughout February, which caused prices to fall way below what they closed at in January. For next month, we want to take a structured approach towards commodities investing and gather more on the price stocks for a possible upside by year-end. Stick with us to find out how these decisions will impact club members' wealth this year. Don't forget to also follow us on all our social media platforms and invite your millionaire besties to subscribe to our newsletters to get their finances in order. Also, send your questions to us via our email and we'll be so happy to respond. Until next month, it's been Beige Report. See you.
I am hot.
Peace out.